Hey there, awesome friends! Welcome back to FunZone, where fun begins. Today, we've got a challenge that'll make your taste buds go wild. It's a food showdown. You'll be making tough choices between your favorite snacks and meals. So let's dive in and see which delicious option wins. Grab your snack, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1. Would you rather like to eat McDonald's hash brown or McD's Happy Meal? What would you choose? Chicken wings while watching football match or nachos? Have fries with your burger or chips with your sandwich? Pick one, kick one. Pineapple pizza or Oreo pizza? Would you rather like to drink a milkshake on a hot day or hot chocolate on a cold day? Eat pizza at a party or burgers at a picnic? If you could only pick one, Starbucks caramel frappuccino or Burger King iced coffee? Bagels for breakfast or pancakes for brunch? Would you rather sip on Oreo shake or McDonald's Oreo McFlurry? A donut at a bakery or a pastry from a coffee shop? Have ice cream on a hot summer day or hot fudge brownie on a rainy day? Tough one. Unlimited free fast food or unlimited free desserts? Have a bowl of ice cream late at night or noodles at night? Burgers at drive-thru or coffee at drive-thru? Would you rather like to eat a classic lobster at a rooftop restaurant or a hot dog from a food truck? Cheetos while scrolling through social media or a chocolate bar while Netflix and chilling? Spicy wings after a long day or mozzarella sticks while catching up with friends? Candy corn at Halloween or gingerbread cookies at Christmas? Which one are you choosing? What would you choose? Doritos during a road trip or sliders while chilling at a barbecue? Would you rather have KFC hot wings or Popeyes spicy chicken? What's your choice? Grilled chicken while on a lunch break or chips while waiting for a movie to start? What do you eat? Granola bars during lecture or nachos? Pick one, kick one. Tacos or burritos? Cheetos while studying or gummy bear? foot-long Subway sandwich or a Chipotle? Pick any one, Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich or waffle fries. What's your choice? KFC bucket meal or McDonald's chicken McNuggets? Onion rings or buffalo wings? Croissant or Egg McMuffin? Pizza with extra cheese or pizza with extra toppings? Hey, that was it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comment box which food was your favorite. We will meet again in the next video. Till the time, be in your fun zone.